Hi guys, welcome to ITR Expert again.
The Excel special of the day is if, a logical function used to automate spreadsheets. The if function checks if a condition is met and provide an outcome, otherwise, if false it returns another outcome. In this example, we will nest an and function inside the if function as logical test, to enable multiple conditions. We'll use the function library now, but type the formula if you prefer. In here we have a list of ingredients and we want to check their cost in column C and their quantity in column D. In column E, we want to return the names of ingredients that cost less than £3 and are available, so their quantity is higher than 0. Let's start. Select D6. Go to the Formula ribbon. Select the Logical Function drop-down, select if. As logical test in the first box, we use a nested and function. Let's type and open bracket C6 smaller than 3, comma D6 higher than 0, close bracket. As value if true, in the second box type B6, as we want to type the name of ingredients that meet both the conditions. As value if false, in the third box type open and closed quotation marks, as we want to leave the cell empty when the conditions are not met, and press OK to finalize the formula. Then select D6 and apply the formula to the whole column using the fill handle. How you can see, it is possible to type a nested formula inside the logical test using the formula wizard. However, with time you may find easier typing the formulas directly in the cell. In that case, don't forget to use the quotation marks and the commas when needed. You can see the syntax in the screen, so keep practicing. There you go. Follow us for more and write any special requests in the comment.
If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.